Hey, are you tired of always saying hello, how are you, every time you meet someone? It feels like you don't know any other way to start a conversation in English, but don't worry at all. I'm here to help you with that. Hello everyone, welcome to Talkino. This is Mobina, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you 10 common ways to greet people in English, just like native speakers do in their everyday conversations. So are you ready? Let's go! 1. How's it going? 1. How's it going? 2. How's everything? 2. How's everything? 3. How's life? 3. How's life? 4. What's going on? 4. What's going on? 5. Long time, no see. 5. Long time, no see. 1. How do you do? 1. How do you do? 2. How are you doing? 2. How are you doing? 3. How have you been? 3. How have you been? 4. How is your day going? 4. How is your day going? 5. How are things going? 5. How are things going?